Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm John Laspina, the Carnivore teacher. When you drink alcohol, you're not drinking for thirst. You're not drinking for hydration. You're drinking to get drunk. You're drinking to feel tipsy. Alcohol can cause cirrhosis of the liver if you overdo it. Same thing with fructose, by the way. If you're eating fruit and you're eating high fructose corn syrup and you're having a lot of juice and you're eating a lot of foods, a lot of sodas that have fructose in it, table sugars, 50% glucose, 50% fructose, that's the same as alcohol on the liver. And yes, you will eventually have a fatty liver and possibly enter cirrhosis of the liver. It's called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. They're seeing it more and more today in adults and young children who are drinking all those juice boxes and all that high fructose corn syrup. They're seeing a disease in the liver that only alcoholics used to get. And it's happening in children and adults who don't even drink alcohol. So this is very serious. We want to take care of this enormous organ in our body called the liver. This liver is huge. It has special powers. It performs about 80 different jobs in the body simultaneously. It's magical, this thing called our liver. Our liver, if you have to have part of it removed because it's damaged, it will regrow that part back. That's how precious and special this organ is. We can't regrow a kidney. We can't regrow part of our heart. We can't regrow certain organs, but we can regrow part of our liver. And our liver has this amazing ability to heal if it's damaged, if you don't abuse it by drinking too much alcohol or eating too much fructose. Fructose, man, that's the thing that people don't realize. They don't realize that the liver has to process that monosaccharide called fructose. And a lot of people don't realize that all the candy, cake, treats, things that have this thing called sugar in it, which is sucrose, it's 50% fructose, 50% glucose. That 50% fructose goes directly to the liver as a toxin, and your liver can handle it. That's part of the job of the liver. But it can't handle it if you're abusing the liver for many, many decades by giving it enormous amounts of fructose constantly, daily. You're assaulting the liver with fructose, just like an alcoholic assaults their liver with alcohol every day. You will end up being like the alcoholic and having a liver disease. And that liver performs way too many functions. You need your liver. You must have your liver. Here are a few things the liver does. I'm not going to name all 80. The liver creates enzymes. The liver tags toxins and directs them out of the body. The liver does this thing called gluconeogenesis. It will take extra protein and fats and it will convert it into sugar for energy. The liver does denovolipogenesis, where it takes the extra sugar that you ate and it converts it into fat and stores that around the body. That's how most people get obese, by the way, denovolipogenesis. The liver is so important. It creates bile, which liquefies the fat that you're eating so that your body can absorb the nutrition from the fatty acids. The liver helps create so many wonderful things in the body and it's doing it all simultaneously. It's doing it. So if you're drinking alcohol or eating a lot of fructose, you're taking away the liver's bandwidth of doing all of those jobs for your body. So please consider going ketovore or carnivore and eating beef, lamb, pork, poultry, fish, and eggs and cooking in the healthy animal fats, and your liver is just chugging along doing what it's supposed to do without being taxed by having too much fructose or alcohol. I think the liver is probably one of the most important organs in the body. It does way more jobs than any other organ. You list all the organs in the human body, and I think the liver performs more simultaneous jobs. And we take it for granted, our liver, this giant organ that can regrow itself. Don't take your liver for granted. Take care of your liver and eat properly. Nourish your body, and your liver will be very healthy. And if you haven't been doing this so far, what's so cool is your liver has the magical ability to lose that fat. You'll lose the fatty liver. Your liver will repair itself. If you didn't do enough damage to it with the alcohol and the fructose, your liver will repair itself. A lot of people have come back from almost death just by fixing their way of eating and going carnivore. So eat well, my friends, and you will look and feel well and become the optimized version of yourself and have a healthy liver. Have a good day.